Hi friends, it's Miss Virginia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these bunny ears. If you have a printer, you can just look in the description in this video, and there's a link that you can copy and paste in your browser, and it'll bring up this document that you can just print and follow the directions and use this to make your bunny ears. Or if you don't have a printer, I'm going to demonstrate to you quickly how you can make bunny ears with paper and tape and yarn or elastic. Now I'm going to make, I think I'm going to make brown bunny ears. So what you're going to do is fold your paper and fold it one more time. And this will give you 2 ears. So on the part that's folded, you're gonna go up maybe about a finger's length from the edge, and then this is the part you're gonna snip and fold over. But then from this part is going to be the ear part. So you're going to go around and make a nice bunny ear. And cut it out to make 2 bunny ears. So when you have your 2 ears done, see this bottom tab right here? You're gonna do a little snip on both of them. And here's what's gonna make them stand up. Like, see how nice they're standing up on my head, on the elastic? What you need to do is fold. I made the little snip in the bottom of the ear, and you flap one side over the other. Let me show you that again. See how I have the 2 flaps, and I go like this. Flap one side over the other, which kind of makes it stand up now. And you can either staple it together or tape it. I have some tape, so I'm just going to tape it for now. So tape, one flap is over the other, so just do the top and the bottom. Excuse me. And we'll do this other one. Again, take the flaps, one over the other, and take some tape. Or you can do a staple too. Sometimes it's hard to get the stapler in. You really need a small stapler. So here we have our 2 round bunny ears. Now if you want, you can cut out 2 little pink ears, like for the insides of the ears. What I'm gonna do is do it the small way now. So how about what I'm going to do is just going to go on the inside. Or you can color the inside. You don't necessarily have to. So you just put them inside. If you have some glue, or you can use a staple. I'm going to just use a stapler for now to attach these. And this one. So now to attach it so they sit on your head, what you can do, you take yarn or what I have is elastic, like this kind of elastic you use for beading or jewelry, and just tie it around your head so you get the right size. Then I'm going to show you how to, you see these I use to staple on the bottom of the ears. You can see right here. But you can also use tape as well. And I'll tape these onto the yarn so you can see how to tape them. So let me get a piece that will fit around my head to tie. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is in my ear, I'm gonna tape one on this side, on the bottom. Right next to it, I'm going to take the yarn right on top of this one. And probably right next to it, so when you lay them down, and let's see how these ears fit. I think I had to put them closer together. Well, they could be like this. I'm going to put them a little closer together. Okay, I think this will work better. Oh, much better. So here, let me little hop, 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 hoppity hop. I'm a little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. I saw a little bunny go hop, hop, hop. So here's your bunny ears that's flopping over. Well, let me just show you. Sometimes the tape doesn't work that well, but if you take the stapler and staple, of course an adult would have to do this, and I'm stapling the yarn, and they will be more secure. And also, if you use a stapler, like I didn't use any tape on this one, I used a stapler, and you can easily adjust the bunny ears on the top of your head. Like I'll show you. So let me put this one back on my head. So if you want to make them, you can slide them around, make them wider apart or closer together. So that's how Miss Virginia makes her bunny ears. Bye.